Online courses are one of the most profitable digital assets you can create. Learners around the world are hungry for new skills, and AI tools now make course creation faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. Instead of spending months scripting, recording, editing, and designing materials, you can build a complete, polished course in just days using AI for research, content generation, visuals, slides, video editing, and lesson planning. Courses can sell for $20, $99, $199, or even $299 plus, depending on niche and depth. They produce evergreen revenue because once published, students continue to enroll for months or years with minimal updates, and every course can be repurposed into multiple income streams. YouTube tutorials, short-form content, blogs, lead magnets, and digital products. AI removes the friction and leaves you with profit. Course planning used to be the hardest and longest part of the process, but AI now handles it effortlessly. Start by asking your AI assistant to research your niche. What topics are trending? What problems are people trying to solve? What courses are already selling well? AI can quickly identify opportunities and recommend gaps you can fill. Next, it can generate a complete course outline, including modules, lessons, learning outcomes, and progression structure, something that used to take days. AI can also help define your ideal student, their starting point, and what transformation they should achieve by the end. Before you move forward, ask AI to evaluate whether your chosen topic has demand and monetization potential. With AI-powered planning, every part of your course has clarity, structure, and purpose, which ensures a strong learning experience and higher sales. AI is a powerful writing assistant for course creators. It can generate full video scripts, teaching notes, lesson plans, and slide content for every module. Start by sharing your outline so AI can maintain consistency throughout the course. Then, generate scripts section by section to keep the flow natural and structured. You can also request analogies, stories, examples, case studies, or exercises to keep learners engaged. If a section feels too fast, too slow, or too complex, AI can rewrite it for clarity or simplify concepts for beginners. You can even have AI convert each script into slide bullet points automatically. This dramatically reduces the time needed to prepare teaching materials while improving the quality and cohesion of your course content. The result? A polished, professional course built in a fraction of the usual time. Once your scripts are ready, AI tools help you produce your entire course visually. Tools like Gamma, Canva, and Tome can turn your script into fully designed slides with professional layouts, icons, and images. If you prefer faceless videos, AI tools like Runway, Pika Labs, Descript, Synthesia, and HeyGen can create high-quality videos using AI avatars or voiceovers. You can also generate diagrams, flowcharts, illustrations, and infographics using AI image tools to enhance your lessons. Editing is no longer a bottleneck. AI tools can remove filler words, fix audio, add captions, resize videos for multiple platforms, and automate transitions. In just a few hours, you can produce visually polished content that once required an editor, designer, and production team. The speed and quality of AI video production make online course creation more accessible than ever. After your course is complete, it's time to publish and monetize. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare give you built-in audiences, while Teachable, Kajabi, Gumroad, and Podia give you full control over pricing and branding. AI can help write your course description, design your sales page, and create promotional videos and graphics. To generate recurring revenue, set up automated email funnels that welcome new subscribers, nurture them, and convert them into buyers. Repurpose your lessons into TikTok clips, Instagram Reels, carousel posts, and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic continuously. Finally, use AI tools to handle SEO, analytics, and even ad optimization so your course continues selling on autopilot. With the right setup, an online course becomes a long-term asset that generates revenue month after month, powered by AI systems doing the heavy lifting.